Good afternoon. Today's video is home repair. I need to paint my house. I've got maybe 5 spots of bad fascia. One spot is going to have missing wood. The other spots just need to be treated and painted. I'm not going to pay somebody to come out here and hack up my fascia to replace sections of it. So we're going to use PC products called Rot Terminator and PC Woody. Then I've got a resin and a hardener that goes into this container. You squeeze it on, you brush it till it soaks in and can't take anymore. Let it get hard, and if you have to repair spots in the wood, this PC Woody is actually made with wood flour. So it expands and contracts like regular wood does, so it doesn't crack once you have it applied and painted. Let's get started and prep this wood. This is one of the 3 bad spots of fascia that needs repair. You can tell that the builder did a fine job at hitting the center of those boards with those nails. They punched through and rusted. So we're going to scrape, maybe sand, and then we're going to treat that with the PC Rot Terminator. All the nails have rusted and disintegrated. And this wood it's soft. So because I need to penetrate this, I'm going to drill little 1/8 inch holes into this to make it like a sponge. So when I put that Terminator on here, it soaks in. I drilled 1/8 inch holes in all of this. I did not go through. I just did enough to make a dimple to make a pocket for this resin hardener puddles to get into this wood and make it rock hard again. I purchased the 1-gallon kit of the Rot Terminator. That 1-gallon kit came with this squirt bottle to give you the mixing combination. And this bottle specifically says on it that it's good for 3 uses. Well, this is only an 8-ounce bottle, and I'm going to have way more than 3 uses to use up this full gallon if I need it. Purchase yourself another 6-pack of 12-ounce squeeze bottles. There's your line A, there's your line B. So go buy yourself extra squeeze bottles, keep that one for the last use or 2, but you'll always know how to measure these and get the right combination. I scraped off the loose paint. I drilled the 1/8 holes in here. I came back with a sander to smooth the holes out, and then I came over it with a wire brush to get all the loose paint I can. To Murphy-proof myself, I put an A on the A bottle, and an A on the lid, and a B on the B, and a B on the lid. The last thing you want to do is swap lids, because it may be the last time you ever get them open. Our solution is mixed. Let's apply it. I'm just squeezing and brushing. It's kind of tough because I'm working at an angle going up. So I'm going to start at the top first. And pour it on the brush. Push it in there. Don't be shy with this stuff. I've saturated that wood as much as I possibly can. Now we'll just let this dry overnight, see what it looks like tomorrow. This is dried for 24 hours. This is rock hard now. My next step, I'm just going to hit this with some sandpaper just to get the burrs off it. And then we'll mix up some of that PC Woody. And we're going to fill in all these holes and just pack it. Put wood back in there. And even up here, this came out pretty hard too. So far, I'm really impressed with this stuff. It works. All right, we got the part A, part B. We're going to mix equal parts of both. All right, looks like peanut butter. Let's apply it. Let's start by filling in these holes right here. You can use denatured alcohol to smooth this out. I don't care, I'm going to hit it with a sander. There's our PC Woody. Cure time on this at 50 degrees, 2 to 4 days, 70 degrees, 24 hours, 125 degrees, 2 hours. It's 82 today, so 24 hours, this will be fine. Once it's hard, we'll hit it with a sandpaper. You could smooth it with denatured alcohol. I don't have any denatured alcohol, so I'll just use sandpaper. This is hard as a rock now. It's been about 4 days because the temperature dropped down into the 40s. So I let it go 4 or 5 days. Gonna sand it. The PC Woody's all sanded. It looks good. There are a few imperfections, a few low spots. I could mix more of that PC woody and filament, but I'm not going to. That fascia's 20 years old. It'll give it character. Just paint it. There's the repaired corner with the first coat of paint. Are there deformities in it? Sure. Do I care? No. This was practice for the bad one in the front of the house. This Rot Terminator is 1 part hardener to 2 parts resin. And my first batch I wasted a lot. So I started measuring the bottles to reduce how much I really need. So as long as you do, say, 1 inch of the hardener and then add 2 inches of the resin, you got the right mix. This stuff goes a long way. Well, that PC Rot Terminator for the wood petrifier works very, very well. That soft wood turned out to be rock hard. And the PC Woody, the 2-part wood filler, that stuff works really nice too. And it's sandable, it's paintable, it looks really good when it's done. I mean, you can even use that PC Woody to reconstruct something that's broken. If you got some wood rot somewhere, and if you have to repair wood or add missing wood, that PC Woody works very well. It's stiff enough that it stays where you put it. It doesn't run and sag. I've practiced on 3 corners of my fascia that were low to the ground, a couple steps on the ladder. So now it's time to attack the major problem, which is 15 feet off the ground, working up on a ladder. I've already done the prep work, just got to wait for this to get hard, and this should be a piece of cake. Well, good luck with your rotted wood treatment. Thanks for watching. Cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic. Take care.